Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SolidWorks Hair Dryer Mold lesson. Using the hair dryer mold part, click on Draft Analysis. Select the front plane and review the faces draft. Activate the Face Classification option to view the different groups of faces. Cancel the command to continue. Click on Scale. Set the scaling factor and click OK. Click on the Parting Lines command. Select the front plane and click on Draft Analysis. Review the parting line edges automatically selected. Remove the segments incorrectly added. And select the desired parting line edges as shown. Continue selecting the edges in the front of the part. When finished, click OK. Click on the Shut Off Surfaces command and review the edges automatically selected. Select the necessary edges and remove the redundant edges as shown. Click OK when finished. Click in the Parting Surfaces command. Use the Perpendicular to Pull option and set the parting surface distance. Activate the manual mode and drag the handles along the frame to correctly define the parting surface. Click OK to finish the parting surface. Zoom in the front of the model, add a sketch in the face indicated and draw the profile shown. Exit the sketch and click on Lofted Surface. Select the two edges indicated, add the sketch as a guide curve and click OK. Add a new sketch in the face indicated, draw the profile, and exit the sketch. Add a new lofted surface, select the edges indicated, add the sketch and the edge indicated in the guide curves list, and click OK. Expand the Surface Bodies folder to see the different bodies. Use the Knead surface and merge the surfaces indicated. When finished, drag the surface to the Parting Surface Bodies folder. Click on the Tooling Split command, add the sketch in the parting surface, right-click on the edge and use Select Open Loop. Click on Convert Entities and exit the sketch. Enter the block sizes indicated and click OK. Hide the parting line feature to continue. Select the core body and hide it. Click on the Surface Bodies folder and hide all surfaces. Change the other body's appearance for visibility.